Today we will discuss about the death of the authors which has been written by Ronald Barthes. He was born on 12th November 1915 and died 26 March 1980. He was a theorist. Originally published 1967, Barthes' essay opposed the established tenets in traditional literary criticism, which focus upon the author, his intention, his person, and his life. In the interpretation and analysis of literary work, it relates the meaning of the text within the biographical and personal context of the author. Barthes says that writing and creator are unrelated to each other. Barthes argues against the method of reading and literary criticism which analyzes a literary work on the basis of the information about the real life of the author of the text. According to Barthes, this method of reading may appear to be tidy and convenient, but it is actually insufficient and follows. He says that to give a text an author and assign a single corresponding interpretation to it is to impose a limit on the text. According to Barthes, the reader must separate a literary work from the influences from interpretive tyranny so that the text can be looked at from different perspectives. Each piece of literary writing contains multiple layers and meanings. In a well-known quotation, Barthes draws an analogy between text and textiles, declaring that a text is a tissue or fabric of quotations drawn from innumerable context of culture rather than from one individual experience. Barthes' writer, the reader is the space on which all the quotations that make up a writing are inscribed without any of them being lost. A text unity lies not in its origin but in its destination. The essential meaning of a work depends on the impressions of the readers rather than the passions or tastes of the writer. A text unity lies not in its origins or its creator but in its destination or its audience. The reader is the space on which all the quotations that makes up a writing are inscribable without any of them being lost. That is, a text unity lies not in its origin but in its destination. The use of the word quotations expresses the idea that a text cannot reality be created or original because a text is always made up of an arrangement of pre-existing quotations or idea. Therefore, the author is not really an author but rather a scripter who simply puts together pre-existing texts and quotations in a text and give it is a tangible shape without affecting its meanings. Scriptures is the word that Barthes uses to break the traditional continuity of power between the terms author and authority. The scriptures exists merely to produce the text with the help of quotations instead of standing to explain it. He is born simultaneously with the beginning of the text, and his existence terminates with the completion of the writing process of the text. So here we will discuss, we have discussed about the death of the author, and similarly if you read, then you can better understand what Barthas say in these articles. So kindly subscribe my channel so that you may find more videos of me. Thank you for watching my video.